Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Range Rover Sports and I'm going to change engine air filter. We have two of these, one located on the passenger side and one is on driver side. And the tool we need, Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to open 1, 2, 3, one on the back, one right in the middle and one on the side, altogether 6 screws. After opening all 6 screws, you don't need to open anything. We're just going to lift and we're going to remove the filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, very dirty filter. The filter I'm going to use, look at the comparison. It looks ugly. Once we put the new filter, the Range Rover going to breathe clean. Very easy. You just drop it in. So we're going to just make sure that it's seated properly. So once it's seated, we're going to put all the screws back in. The driver side is, all the screws are tightened. And now we're going to go on the other side and we're going to remove these screws. 3 screws on the back and 3 in the front. This one is dirty too, and we're going to replace with a new one. Firmly seated, we're going to put the screws in. We're going to tighten all these screws. So that's how it's easy and simple to change or replace your engine air filter. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.